Exercise 3.1. The various sums of arithmetic progression. Let's start it. This is the first number T1. T1 is 2. T2 is 4. T3 is 6. And T4 is 8. And so on the numbers. Difference D is T2 minus T1. That is, how much is the difference over here? 4 minus 2 is 2. Same difference for the various numbers can be calculated. How it can be calculated? Difference is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2, that is 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. This can be calculated over here. Similarly, we can calculate difference for the last number also, T4, that is 8 minus 6. Since all the difference are 2, it is an arithmetic progression. You can say that this is an arithmetic progression. Similarly, you can go for the next sum. T1 is 2, T2 is 5 upon 2, T3 is 3, and T4 is 7 upon 2. Difference D is T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 can be written as 5 upon 2 minus 2. Take LCM, 2 to the 4. So I will get 5 minus 4 upon 2. The answer is become half. The answer is what? Half over here. Same thing, go for D is equal to T3 minus T2. I can write over here T3 minus T2 can be written as 3 minus 5 upon 2. Here also you can take LCM, 3 to the 6 minus 5 upon 2. That is half. This is the difference. This is first sum, second sum. Now we will solving the third sum. In third sum, there is a negative sign over here. So T1 is minus 10, T2 is minus 6, T3 is minus 2, T4 is equal to 2. Difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. This formula you should always write. T2 is minus 6 minus bracket minus 10. Why bracket has been given? Since it is a negative sign, the signs will change. So I am writing it for your explanation. Minus 6, minus into minus will become plus 10. So I will get 10 minus 6 is 4. Same thing for the next sum. You can do it over here. D is equal to T3 minus T2, which is equal to, over here it can be stated, T3 is what? Minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 can be written as it is. Minus into minus will become plus 6. 6 minus 2 can be written over here as 4. Since this is also 4, this is also 4, the third one will be also 4. You can do it over here extra. And you can see the first sum is in AP, the second sum is in AP, and the third sum is in AP. Line all the three sums are in AP. Let's see if the fourth sum is in AP or not. Fourth sum, T1 is 0.3, T2 is 0.33, and T3 is 0.333. Let's see. D is T2 minus T1, 0.33 minus 0.3. I got the answer over here as 0.03. D is equal to T3 minus T2 at 0.333 minus 0.33. Over here I have got the answer 0.003. Over here it is clearly stated, that over here 0.003, 3 decimals, 1, 2, 3, and over here 0.03, only 2 decimals are. This means the difference is not equal. If the difference is not equal, that means this is not AP. Over this sums, the difference are coming same, hence these are AP. The fourth sum over here, difference is not AP. Similarly, we will try with the various sums. Try these various sums at home and see whether you can do it or not. Same method has to be followed. Each and everything has to be same, followed. Do these sums at home, practice around. Okay.